Okay, dividing fractions. I just did multiplying, now we're going to do dividing. Let's take 1/4 divided by 1/2. 1/4 times 1/2 is 1/8. That's a half of a quarter, or a quarter of a half. It works either way. That's 1/8. When we go the other way and we divide instead of multiply, we should get a bigger number instead of a smaller number because we're using fractions. So really, 1/4 divided by 1/2 would be the same as 1/4 multiplied by 2. 2 over 1, that's just 2. And so that's going to be a bigger number. When we multiply something by 2, it gets bigger, right? In this case, when we divide, we're going to invert the second number and then multiply. 1/4 times 2 over 1. So I took this number and I just flipped it. I put the 2 on the top and the 1 on the bottom. And then we multiply, just as before. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. But this should look familiar. It's exactly what I wrote before. 1/4 times 2 equals 1/4 divided by 1/2. They're the same. And that would be 2/4, and if we simplify that, that's 1/2. We just divide the top number by 2, bottom number by 2. These are equivalent fractions. 2/4 equals 1/2. If you cut a pizza in half, well, half of that pizza is the same as if you cut it into 4 equal size slices and you have 2 of those. 2/4 equals 1/2. So that's it. That's dividing fractions. Do another example. 3/8 divided by 1/4. Why not? Again, we're going to take that second number, the one by which we want to divide, and we're going to invert it. Three-eighths divided by 1/4 equals 3/8 multiplied by 4. They're going to be the same number. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 1 is 1. We now have 12/8, which is a number greater than 1. Which is equivalent to 1 4/8, which can be simplified further, reduced further, to 1.5. There you go. But this is the critical step. You take that second number and invert it and then multiply. Just invert and multiply. Which question?
How did you get 12/8 to 1 4/8? I don't remember this from math.
Well, we'll cover that in another video.
Okay.